I would like to show you a new watch of mine from MeisterSinger. This watch is a German brand, as you may know. They use a single-handed solution, but let's start the unboxing. So this is the outer paper box of the watch. Simple and white, and this is perfect. If we open it, we will find another paper box. MeisterSinger written on it, or maybe printed on it. Really nice textured. It's covered some kind of plastic, I guess. This is paper, and you see the red line in the middle. Very nice. Let's open it, and we find another inner box. This is the watch box. Inside we found some papers, invoice. I got the watch from Chronoshop CZ. I will give you details of the distributor in the description below. The company is based in Czech Republic, I hope I pronounce it well, and one of the best watch dealer company, if you ask me. Okay, inside you find the booklet. As I mentioned, this is all about rituals of time, how to read your watch. In the booklet you will find some informations. You will find a price list. This is really unique. The watch, what I am showing, is a Metris, and you can see here, the Metris from the bronze line, because the bronze line is the newest from 2019, so this is the newest line, and it won't surprise you. These are watches made of bronze, and the Metris, what is 38mm wide in case, without crown, but I will show the watch soon, and it looks at least 40mm wide. So that one is 1,099 €100. This is the official retailer price, and some nice other pictures and technical information about the brand and the other models. Alright, and we have here the inner box. Okay, the watch should be here. We have some package here. We can remove this too, and there is the warranty card. But the watch is not inside, of course, because that one is already on my wrist. So here we go. Look at the watch, and this is nearly the diver watch, but surely a strongly water resistant piece, because this is water resistant up to 200 meters, what is really unique from MeisterSinger on the timepiece. So this is it, how it looks like on my wrist. As you see, the bronze and the black dial is matching perfect with the blue shirt, and the brown leather strap is very cool too, really minimalistic, really retro style. I like it. And this watch is 38mm wide at the case, but I must tell, this looks bigger. This one looks at least 40. Very interesting and very cool. I was afraid of a little bit because of the size, but this is a perfect size, and this suits you, and this is very perfectly. and try to bring it closer. Now maybe you can see the beautiful polished parts of the bronze case. Very reflective, very nice. And you may already see patina started to developing, because as you know, every bronze watches will grow some patina, depends on how you are wearing your timepiece. And yeah, this one should be more darker and more browner with times. And I don't know if I will like that, but the documentation of the watch said if you or I don't like it, it can be removed with a single silver jewelry polishing cloth or something. And I know, because I tried it on another piece, you can remove the whole patina from any bronze watches with vinegar. So this is the one-handed piece. Only date is the complication here with red numerals. I think that is cool. And this is the single hand. You see a little red chipping on the end of the hand. First, it's not the easiest to read. At this moment, this is 10 AM. And if you see, there are little indexes around the dial. This is a 12 hours dial, and the long index, for example at the 11, means that is 11 o'clock. The smaller than the long index means 30 minutes. Another smaller means 15 minutes, and the smallest indexes means 5 minutes. So you can read the time in 5 minutes steps. And this whole thing is about the ritual of time, because the MeisterSinger wanna help you to relax a little bit on your lifetime, and you don't need to worry about the seconds or the running minutes. If you look at your watch on this kind of pieces, it's totally enough if you can see this is 10 o'clock or it will be 10 past 5 soon. No need to know the exact time, at least with this piece, because the whole thing is about live your life a little bit easier, a little bit relaxed. Don't rush every day. So this is the philosophy of behind the piece, and this is the timepiece. Anyway, I got another MeisterSinger from the City edition. That one had a leather strap. I wasn't so satisfied, but this new is much softer, much better. I like it very much. If you see the case back of the piece, you will see beautifully engraved MeisterSinger with the little smiling symbol of the brand. You will see automatic. You will see this is bronze, Metris, Swiss made, because yeah, the brand is a German brand, but the movement is an ETA or Celta movement, an automatic movement, what is really good and durable. And you see 20 bar, water resistant, and this is it. I think this is a perfect watch, and that's all. The crown is screw-in crown, of course. This one is needed for the 200 water resistant, and at the end I will cut pictures into the video of the timepiece to let you see the original state of the bronze case before started patina growing, because I wasn't able to shoot a video when I opened it, and I am wearing this watch since 2 weeks, and this is the patina of my last 2 weeks. Okay, so I hope you like this watch as much I like it, and thank you for watching, and see you later.